Welcome back to our 5th YouTube video in our WordPress tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to install a new theme on your website. Your WordPress website theme is very important, and the choice of your theme is one of the things that will determine the success of your website. You need a theme that is not only visually stunning but also highly functional, ensuring your site not only looks amazing but performs well, so it can be navigated easily by your visitors. Let's be honest, the default theme is very basic and it's really not going to work. It's too simple, it has no pictures, it has no color, no video or background, menu bar, etc. This theme is just not going to work. Now before we begin, let's log in to our WordPress administration page. You should know how to log in because if you can't log in, you can't access your WordPress dashboard. There are two ways to log in. The first way, and the more simpler way, is just go to your URL leatherjockey.store and just add /wp-admin and press enter. It will ask you for your WordPress email and password. I hope you wrote it down. Enter the details and press login. Now, as you can see, this is your WordPress dashboard and this is from where you can access your WordPress site. The second way to access your WordPress dashboard is through hostinger.com. Just log in, enter your email and password. Once you log in, click on websites and it will show you all the websites that you have. We've got over 5 websites here. As you can see, let's go to leatherjockey.store. As you can see, there is an icon below, which is the WordPress admin panel. You can click on this and you'll go to the same page. We are now on our WordPress admin dashboard. This was the longer route, but it's important to know that you can access your WordPress admin page in 2 ways. We will use the first way always as it's a lot easier and faster. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Remember, this page is your website backend from where you can edit, modify, delete, alter each and every aspect of your website. This page is your website front end. This is what people see when they enter in the URL leatherjockey.store. All the changes done in the back end, meaning your WordPress dashboard, will reflect on the front end, which is your website. Don't worry, it looks intimidating, especially for those who are using WordPress for the first time. Here, on this YouTube channel, WordPress Professor, we will discuss each and every option shown here, one by one in the upcoming videos. We will actually show the entire process of making your website from the very basic to advanced levels. Today, we will focus on the Appearance tab, as we want to install a new WordPress theme. So if you want to change the appearance of your WordPress page, you have to install a theme. Click on Appearance and then select Themes. Now these are the 3 default themes in WordPress. This theme is called 22, this one is 21, and then you have the default theme, which is 2023. But remember, WordPress has thousands of themes. That is the beauty of WordPress. Now click on Add Theme to add a new theme. And now here you can see that there are currently 5,887 themes available. And guess what? They are absolutely free. You can choose whatever theme you want to. Let's just go through all the themes. As you can see, it says 5,887. That's the total number of themes available. These are all free themes and they're all good. And another way of downloading themes is if you go to wordpress.org and just click on the Themes tab. Now, once you open this page, these are the same themes that you can access from your WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is to select the theme you like, download it on your computer, and then install it from your WordPress dashboard. We just want you to know that there are 2 ways to install WordPress themes. The first way to install a theme is from your WordPress dashboard, which is a lot easier. We're going to stick with this simpler and easier way, which is to install the desired theme from your WordPress dashboard with a click of a button. Let's just go through these themes. There are so many themes here. As you can see, you can scroll down. There are 5,887 themes right now which you can go through. And these themes are pretty good, and guess what? They're all free. You can click on theme to see it in detail, as it says detail and preview. This will give you a more detailed view of the theme. Since there are approximately under 6,000 themes, going through them all is going to be a bit time-consuming, and it is humanly not possible to go through so many themes. Now, there is another way of going through all the themes more quickly. On the right side is a search box. Just enter what you're looking for over here, for example. Suppose you're looking to make a website for your coffee shop. Just enter coffee. Press enter, and you'll see that there are over 51 different websites that have the coffee theme. If you are looking to make a clothing store, just write clothing in the search box. We have over 165 themes to choose from. Just go through them slowly. Take your time. No need to rush. Suppose you want to make a fashion store. Enter fashion. You have 786 different themes to choose from. If you want to see the theme in greater detail, just click on the theme to preview it. Suppose you want an e-commerce store. As you can see, we have 695 themes to choose from. If you are a skilled tradesman like a plumber, electrician, or a carpenter and want to have an online presence to reach more potential clients, you have a wide range of websites to choose from. Want to make a food blog or a travel blog? If you are looking to make a digital marketing agency, just write digital marketing agency. Are you an SEO specialist? Enter search engine optimization. Are you looking to make a website for your gym? Enter gym. Let's try watches, then laptops and cars, and see different themes available. Let's just take a break and look at our original website that was made when we installed WordPress. It is just too basic and simple, and no one's going to visit this site if you leave it like this. So, one of the first things that you do when you install WordPress is to install a theme that matches your specific needs and requirements. Remember, you can always change the theme later on if you don't like it. More on this towards the end of the video. The purpose of showing you so many different themes and how to narrow down your search is to show you that there is one theme that should work for you, no matter what industry you are in. Let's try and choose a theme for our website, Leather Jockey. Let's enter clothing. Let's go through some websites. I think I am going to choose this theme. It's called Tailor Stylist. I think it's pretty good. Let's just click on it and see how it looks. Like it looks pretty good from here. You can preview it also. It looks great, and remember, whatever is being shown on the website can be customized later on. Everything shown here, from the logo to the menu to the phone number being shown, can all be customized according to your specific needs. Now, to install this, click on Install. It shows installing. It's going to take a few seconds, and now you can see it says Installed. All you have to do is to activate it, and this theme is now activated. Now, how simple was that? You have under 6,000 free themes and endless possibilities on WordPress. It takes a click of button and a few seconds, and it's installed on your website. Let's make sure that this new theme is now active on our website. Let's check our home page out. This is our home page, and this is the old page showing, so we need to refresh it. Wow, it looks amazing. See, it's showing Leather Jockey, and this is our website URL leatherjockey.store. Let's suppose for some reason you're not satisfied with this theme. Is it possible to change your theme once you installed it? Well, let's find out. Let's go back to our back end, meaning our WordPress admin page. Remember, whenever you want to change anything, even the slightest detail on your website, you need to go to your back end. Go to Appearance, click on Themes. Previously, this area was showing 3 themes installed. This is your new theme which we just installed, Tailor Stylist. Okay, let's try to change this theme. Press Add New. Since we are a clothing store, let's type in clothing and press Enter. Now let's see. This is our current theme. Let's just go through some of the themes. Let's take a look at this one, which says Wardrobe Fashion Stylist. Let's preview this and see how it is. It looks very nice. Let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to press Install and it says Installing. Let's activate it. I have activated it, and let's go to our front end, meaning our website, and see the difference. This is our old website showing, so we need to refresh the page. And there you go. This is your new website. It says Leather Jockey. So let's recap a bit. It took me less than a minute and just a click of a button, and I changed my website's entire theme. You can do this as many times as you like. In fact, go ahead and get some practice by installing new themes and then changing them. The more you practice with WordPress, the more confident you will be. So if you want to keep this theme, we can just let it be. If you go to Appearance and the Themes tab, this is our new website. This was our older website Tailor Stylist. As you install more and more themes, they will keep showing up here in this section. Now we have 5 themes here. Suppose you're having second thoughts. Maybe this isn't good. Let's go back to the previous theme. All you need to do is click on Activate, and that's it. It's done. Now, if you go to Themes menu, you can see that this Tailor Stylist is your active theme, and these are the old ones. They're just in your dashboard, but they're not active. Let's go to our website. See, this was the previous theme which we installed. Let's refresh our page and see, wow, it's back. That's why I just love WordPress. Well, that brings an end to this video. Take care and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.